Every time that I see your face, it always makes me smile.
I'm gonna use my NYX right here, my primer, which is a nude, because we're gonna go with those beautiful browns. And the color is gonna be nostalgia, something like that. This one right here. So it shows darker in person than in the camera. The camera shows a little bit lighter. So hopefully when I apply it, it would actually show. So as a transition color, I'm gonna wear this one right here. I don't know if you can read the name. Statement. We're gonna just tap on that statement color and just kind of, oh, it is coming out in the camera. Okay, cool. So I'm just gonna kind of dab. Don't really for me, I stopped blending because I felt like the more blending, it will like take off more of the shadow. So what I do, I just tap till there's like no harsh lines. And now we're gonna go in with that dark, the third. Oh my god, it's a lot of fallouts. Look, like, you see that? It's a lot of fallouts. So make sure you just tap away. I'm gonna go in with that dark brown shade, and I'm just gonna kind of start tapping, kind of get a little bit and blends with the transition color on the bottom. I'm liking this color, guys, already. Slowly we're gonna start bringing it just to right here, because we're gonna use kind of like right here, like the highlight effect. Other brush, and use again of the statement, just kind of blend those two colors in. So I'm gonna go in to make it kind of sort of like yellowy look. I'm gonna use Tranquil, can't even say it. Is it that one? Yes, this one right here, the second one. So I'm gonna go in with that one. So we're gonna put that under the brow, kind of blend all the colors together. Get my other NYX. Oh, I thought it was my card. I was like, oh my god, someone's stealing my card. Okay, but it's the neighbors. Okay, so my NYX, my reaction, I'm like, anyways. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my concealer from NYX. This is a full coverage, and it looks like this. It's very important, as I mentioned in my other videos, get the NYX pigment primer, so that way it can pick them up even more and show them even more. You don't need a lot, you just need like a small tiny drop. I'm gonna start applying that one. It's called Frosting, the color. I don't know how much it's gonna pick up, so I'm hoping it's a lot, because it is like literally, ooh, you know what it reminds me, kind of like of snowflakes. So you can't really tell in the camera, but it shows very shimmery. And here it's showing like literally white. I don't know why. And I'm gonna go with the same that I apply right here on my crease. I'm gonna go here to the side. If you want it very pigmented, you can even use some black, but I just want to leave it out like that. I'm not gonna use any other color, because if then I have to use other palettes, and I don't want you guys to be if you guys already bought in this one, I don't want to make you buy another one. So we're just gonna keep it very profusional. Okay, and now I already curl my lashes, so I'm gonna use this one's right here. I put them together, so I stacked them up. I bought two, and I stacked them so that way it can be like with more. Like so beautiful. Right here on my cut crease, I'm gonna do something different. You can leave it as it is like that, or I'm gonna use one line of glitters. So this kind of fall, I'm gonna dip it into this kind of like a copper color. Just make sure you do it before you put your lashes, because I already put on my lashes and it's gonna stain them, but it's okay, we're not going out nowhere, right? Like so. You see, you could hardly tell though. Let me turn off the lights. Hold on. Never mind. Never mind. So that is it for that look, guys. Let me just put foundation, contour, and all that, and then I'll be back with my wig and stuff like that. So wait, guys, hold on, almost done. Okay, you guys, and here you guys have it, my final look with my everything done, my contour, my wig, all that. So this is another fall look for you guys, so you guys can my eyes might camouflage a little bit on the background because they're kind of like greenish. They show kind of like grayish. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up and comment down below or what you guys think about this look. I like it. It's very beautiful for like Thanksgiving, since it's coming up. We have few more weeks, and oh damn, hold on, pause girl, what you doing with that your lip liner? Okay, so for lip liner, wear this one Profusion matte lip cream, and it's matte charm. You know, I don't know if you can see that. And then I'm gonna use it with top it off with the charm topper. So I'm gonna go with that because we have like a copper over here in the right here on the cut crease, the glitter cut crease. So I'm gonna kind of match it a little bit. It's just kind of weird to white. So I'm gonna keep messing with my lights to make sure that I have the right picture for you guys, because even my bags show like pretty bad. So in real life they don't stick out. It's to next week. Next look, I'm gonna be posting a little bit more often since my schedule is actually being okay. So there's gonna be a lot more tutorials on this one, but this is the look that I did with this palette. So make sure you guys get it. This one right here. We have different palettes at the store, so you guys can get your hands on all of them or just a few of them. There's some brown palettes that they have that I was like, oh my gosh, they're beautiful. But okay, you guys, so now I gotta go. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Love you so much. Hugs and kisses to all of you. Love you. Bye bye.